Hey nature enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on a green adventure as we explore a world of possibilities with balcony garden ideas. No matter how small or limited your outdoor space may be, you can create a captivating and tranquil oasis that brings the beauty of nature right to your doorstep. From vibrant flowers to lush foliage and even some edible delights, we have curated an array of inspiring ideas to ignite your creativity. So let's dive into the enchanting realm of balcony gardens. Turn your balcony into a vertical wonderland by utilizing vertical space. Install hanging planters, wall mounted shelves, and trellises to maximize greenery without sacrificing floor space. Cascading vines, herbs, and even small flowering plants can transform your balcony into a lush green tapestry of life. Bring the joy of homegrown produce to your urban abode by creating a miniature edible garden. Plant herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary in pots or hanging baskets. Tomatoes, peppers, and even compact fruit trees can thrive in containers, providing you with fresh organic delights right from your balcony. Combine the charm of garden with the comfort of a reading nook. Arrange a cozy sitting area with comfortable cushions and throw pillows amid potted plants. A strategically placed bookshelf can hold your favorite reads, making this a peaceful escape for both bookworms and nature lovers. Elevate your sense with balcony garden bursting with flowers. Choose a color scheme that resonates with your style, whether it's a riot of vibrant hues or a soothing palette of pastels. Mix and match flowering plants like petunias, marigolds, and geraniums for a continuous bloom throughout the season. Embrace the world of succulents and cacti to create a low maintenance and visually appealing balcony garden. These hardy plants come in a myriad of shapes, sizes, and colors. Combine them with in decorative pots or even create a miniature desert landscape or an enchanting touch. Craft a serene and calming Japanese inspired balcony garden that embodies the essence of Zen. Incorporate bamboo, pebbles, and carefully pruned bonsai trees. A small water feature or a mini rock garden can add a soothing element, allowing you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Transform your balcony into a heaven of for pollinators by choosing plants that attract butterflies and bees. Opt for nectar rich flowers like lavenders, butterfly bush, and cornflowers. These not only add beauty to your space but also play a vital role in supporting local ecosystems. Engage your senses with a balcony garden that tantalizes your sense of smell. Introduce aromatic herbs like lavender, thyme, and lemon balm. Their fragrances will infuse the air, turning your outdoor space into a fragrant retreat. As we conclude our journey through these captivating balcony garden ideas, remember that your outdoor space is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. Whether you are embracing lush greenery, vibrant flowers, or even cultivating your own herbs and vegetables, your balcony can become a space that reconnects you with nature and provides a serene escape. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more inspiration on bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your living spaces. Thanks for joining us. Until the next time, happy gardening.